We will be making cheese rolls today. In a small bowl of feta cheese, I am adding 20 grams of chopped parsley and mixing it. The filling is already ready. I also will need a beaten egg. I am adding a tablespoon of olive oil to it while still mixing it. Let's now add 100 milliliters of milk while still stirring, and after that, let's leave it aside. I am spreading 2 sheets of phyllo dough on top of each other. I am dividing it into 4. I am generously brushing the dough with the sauce I have prepared. After that, I am adding the cheese and parsley filling to its widest side. Let's fold it from the sides and then roll it up. I am repeating these steps for the other ones. Let's now place a grease-proof paper on a baking tray and put the rolls on it. I am brushing them with the remaining sauce. In a preheated oven, I am baking them until their tops turn golden brown. Enjoy!